So if you're offended by blackheads, turn this off now. I'm Watson, and this is Blackhead, and more blackheads. So what are blackheads? They are essentially open comedones, pores that have been clogged by debris. Let's take a look at some examples. And look at this rugged old blackhead. Let's hope they can clean it out. Here's another. Click like for this big blackhead. A closed comedo has an obstructed opening to the skin and may rupture to cause a low-grade skin inflammatory reaction in the area. A common name for a closed comedo is a whitehead. An open comedo has a wide opening to the skin and is capped with a blackened mass of skin debris. This is commonly known as a blackhead. Acne occurs when sebaceous glands of the skin begin to secrete oil during puberty. These glands are stimulated by male hormones that are produced in the adrenal glands of both boys and girls. The oil lubricates and protects the skin. Under certain circumstances, cells that are close to the openings of the sebaceous gland block the openings. This causes a buildup of oil underneath the skin. Bacteria, which live in everyone's skin but generally mind their own business, feast on this oil, multiply, and cause the surrounding tissues to become inflamed after the follicle ruptures. If the inflammation is right near the surface, a pustule is formed. If it is deeper, a papule. Deeper still, and it becomes a cyst. If the pore is completely closed to the surface, the result is a whitehead, and if the pore is wide open, oil becomes oxidized. The oil changes from white to black, and the result is a blackhead. This is how the two types of comedones develop. Comedo is the Latin word for glutton. The ancients believed that the contents of a comedo were the remains of a gluttonous worm. Note that the preferred plural form of comedo is comedones. So why do you think everyone likes to talk about blackheads? And why does YouTube want to delete and suppress those videos? Leave a comment below. If you'd like to see more blackheads, follow us on Facebook, facebook.com/freakymedical. I'll put a link below. And also, click subscribe and the notification bell for all our updates. Hey folks, get rid of those blemishes like a pro with this 7-piece pimple popping kit. It has high quality, full-size tools, a variety of specialized ends including a lancet, and a handy case for easy storage and travel. See the Amazon link below, it ships quickly from the USA.